Welcome everyone to MacOut Electrical Engineering channel. So the next most important question for exam, which comes for 3 marks, is explain star to delta or delta to star conversion. So first of all we will discuss star to delta. Okay, this conversion for 3 marks they ask to explain. Okay, explain star to delta conversion. Okay, for this first you have to draw a circuit. Take 3 points. Point 1, okay, point 2 and point 3, like this. Okay, now from this point, okay, draw a triangle like this. Take one resistance R1, for example, the resistance R1. Okay, then take your resistance R2 like this, R2, and then the third resistance like this, R3. Okay, and this point like this, join it just. From inside again 3 resistance will consider, for example RA, this side then we'll take it RB, and finally RC. So what we did, we took 3 points A, B, C, or we took 3 terminals. We know this is a 3-phase supply, so 3 terminals are there. 3 phase means 3 supply points will be there, terminal points will be there, A, B, C. So this resistance will be R1, this was your R2, this was your R3, inside it was your RA, this was your RB, this was your RC. Okay, so we have to find, for star to delta conversion we'll find this R1, this R2, this R3. For delta to star conversion we'll find this RA, this RB, this RC. Okay, so first of all R1. So for R1, this R1, okay, we have to find R1. So R1 is equal to what? RA plus RB, RA plus RB, RA plus RB, plus multiply this two both, RA plus RB, multiply this both, RA, RB, and divided by this third one, RC. That is RA, RB by RC. What we did? R1 is equal to RA, RB, RA plus RB plus RA into RB by RC. Okay. Similarly, R2 we can easily find it. Again we'll see R2. So then we'll multiply RB into RC. R2 will be equal to RB plus RC plus RB into RC by RA, isn't it? So what it is? RB plus RC plus RB into RC by RA. R2 will be RB into RC by RA. Similarly, R3 will be equal to RA. R3 will be equal to RA into RC, isn't it? RA plus RC plus RA into RC by RB. Okay. Plus RA into RC by RB. Okay, done. This was your first star to delta conversion. Okay, now delta to star, delta to star conversion. Again draw this same circuit again. Take 3 points A, B, C. Okay, A, B, R2, R3, like this, R3, isn't it? Again draw inside one RA, RB, and finally RC, and join this terminal. Okay, A, B, C, R1, R2, R3, RA, RB, RC. Okay, so what I told you that now first delta to star will find this inside one RA, RB, RC. So RA will be equal to, this RA will be equal to R1 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, that is R1 into R3, R1 into R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similarly, RB will be equal to, easy isn't it? RB will be equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3, that is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similarly, what will be your RC? Your RC will be then equal to R2, R3 will be equal to R2 R3 R2 R3 by R1, isn't it? R2 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Done.